Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have recreated an error that you may see while uploading a theme file on cPanel. In this video I will show you how easily you can solve this error without any coding knowledge. Open cPanel main screen and type php.ini in the search bar, and select multi-php.ini editor option. Then select your domain from the list where you are facing this error. Make sure the option for file uploads is not disabled. If it is disabled, then enable this option. Scroll a bit down where it says upload max file size. And in value type 512 MB and click apply. Now go to WordPress and check. This error will be solved. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, then click subscribe to receive notification about our upcoming videos.